So this is what we heard today in Bangalore around 1:20. And many more have been reported this massive explosion sound. Or some explosion. So we are waiting for the reports which are coming from. So here's the sound, guys. The explosion sound. So we are waiting for the reports which are coming from. So here's the sound, guys. So this is what we heard today in Bangalore around 1:20.
Bengaluru, a thundering sound heard in several areas of Bengaluru on Wednesday afternoon left the panic-stricken residents wondering whether the city was hit by an earthquake. Soon, Twitter was abuzz with speculation as regards what could have caused the loud sound, which was heard across the city from the Kempegowda International Airport in the north to Kenjeri, an electronic city in the south. While some suggested it to be an earthquake, some wondered if an explosion had taken place. Clarification given by the Ministry of Defence said the Bangalore sound, heard earlier today, probably related to Indian Air Force's IAF's routine testing of aircraft involving supersonic profile. It was a routine IAF test flight involving a supersonic profile, which took off from Bengaluru airport and flew in the allotted airspace outside the city limits, tweeted the Defence Spokesperson, Pro, Bengaluru, Ministry of Defence.